Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 27 and 28 of the New England Farmhouse renovation. So this is 2 days in one, and the reason that is because I had a little bit issues with my other camera, which was a GoPro, but they're being very kind and they're going to be replacing it. So in the meantime, I'm back to my son's selfie stick and my phone just to do this recording. And it's been busy. So you guys know I took a little break from this because I also build furniture. So I had an expanded steampunk desk that had to go out, and it's out, and now I'm back in, and we went crazy. So we got a lot done in the last 2 days, so let's just go over it. Stepping into the kitchen. We knew that we were almost done in the kitchen, and now we're even closer because we got our first coat of paint on the ceiling and on the walls in the kitchen. And so this is the color concept we're gonna go, and believe it or not, this is just on. So this is still wet. This is definitely going to be multiple coats. I've mentioned it before. Don't ever go too crazy with your first coat of paint because you're always going to have to do two. So get the first one in, let it dry, get the second one in. That's the trick to it. Just kind of dig in. The other thing we did was we got our insulation back up on that wall that we had to pull out, which is right up here. And so all the insulation is up and the drywall is up here now. So that's very exciting. In fact, it's so exciting because we've got almost the entire stairwell here completely drywalled. And so that just happened today, and I'm really excited about it. The other thing was we were taking a look, and we had a little thing that we had to do with this soffit. So we'd had a heating system here because it used to be a floor, used to be a closet, and then we got rid of the heating system, and so we had to have that heating line pulled out, so it wasn't a radiator, but the heating line still has to go all the way through. And so this soffit that we see here, it juts out a little bit, but this has actually got a header board behind it, it's got a heating line, and it's got a bunch of wiring. So that's going to continue all the way around to kind of make up for this here because this is a support beam. So we're going to have that, but it's out of the way and it's ready for mud, which is terrific because that's just one step closer, and we got to get as close as we can because day number 50 is going to be coming up soon, and we're supposed to be in the house. So we know that it's not it's not a linear timeline. I'm doing it as I can do it, and that's just the way it is when you get other projects. You know, everything else comes up, and then we gotta pick up the pace. So here we are in the living room. Now, last time we were in the living room, we were putting drywall up on the ceiling, and then we sprung a leak over in the corner. Well, we patched that. It was a little PEX line, so we patched that. We got the drywall up, and our scratch coat is on the ceiling. So we're gonna bring this all up to level 4 and then get the paint. And the way that we're gonna paint this is actually with a spray gun. So we're gonna do all of our primer and cover everything, and then just hit it with a spray gun. So it should go pretty quick, and I'll bring you guys along until we can see how well that works out. So we got the kitchen almost done. First coat of paint, second coat of paint, and it's done. We've got the stairwell. That's all drywalled now, so that just needs to get some mud on it, and then that's going to be ready to seal. And we've got the living room coming along nicely. So all these projects are all sort of combining all at once. And that's what's happened the last couple of days. And then even though I was out and I was working on some furniture that I was shipping, I was making some calls because we know we do have a problem with the roof. And we've had a couple of roofers coming by, take a look at it, because we cannot finish putting the drywall up on the ceiling on the second floor until we fix that, because that would just be an absolute mess to have all of that dripping coming in on a new floor. So we've had some roofers out here trying to take a look at the pitch on the house. So as we go through that, I'm sure a lot of you have to deal with leaky roofs too, particularly around the chimney. I'll keep you up to date so you can know how that's going. So that's it. End of day 27 and 28. Thanks for bearing with me while I took a break to build that furniture. And I'm glad you're coming back. If you have any questions, ask. And definitely leave a like, subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. So we'll see you all tomorrow for day number 29.